Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable ANC for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. And let's get started by use the application, open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now, you need to click at the equalizer icon at the left bottom. And right here we have ambient sound control. So, to enable ANC, just click on it. Here is at the left side, we have it. To disable, you need to swap to another mode. You can use transparency mode or just disable both of these modes and select normal mode. But, as I said previous, we can use also a gesture. And to enable it by gesture, you need to use your left earbud. And at the back side, we have touch areas, so you need to press and hold at these touch areas. And if you use normal mode, you will swap to ANC. And to disable it by gesture, you need to press and hold again, and you will swap first to transparency mode, but if you don't need it, press and hold again, and you will swap to normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!